That's real nice.
Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the great state of Michigan. If you're new to the channel, I'm James. And on today's video, that's right, by the title up above, we're going to go check out Mobzilla's new Pure 1000 turbos, y'all. That's right, we're heading on a little road trip to Livonia, Michigan, to BCP, otherwise known as Boost Controlled Performance. Now, on this video, you won't see much of your old mobster boss. You're going to see Mrs. Car Mob, Sassy Car Girl, and my buddy, Sean McBrien. That's right. I had to work today, and I had to send the wife and Sean and Sassy Car Girl to go down to Boost Control Performance and shoot this video for you guys. So we're going to turn this camera around, and we're going to show you their journey.
Here, ladies and gentlemen. Godzilla Turbo.
Look at them. That's real nice.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's good God. Ooh. Nice. Nice.
Very nice.
Yay.
These will be fun.
Yes, they will.
Y'all, what'd you think of them turbos, huh? They look pretty sweet to me. I'm pretty excited, man. We got the upgraded Turbo Smart wastegates on it. So these babies should do pretty good. We're only going to be pushing about 800 all-wheel horsepower. We got to build the engine in Mobzilla, but the turbos are good for 1,000 all-wheel horsepower with a built engine. So for future plans, we do plan on making 1,000 horsepower with our GTR. So hey, if you guys enjoyed today's video and you enjoyed the journey with Sean McBrien, Mrs. Car Mob, and Sassy Car Girl, give me a like. Smash that subscribe button. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace, everybody. Turbo, you jumping in? Jump, 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 jump.
Jump, Turbo, jump. Do you need a little nudge? I want to put him in there.
He may think it's a great idea, but I guarantee you, once his entire body goes underwater, he's going to be like, this was a dumbass idea. What do you think, bro?
Come on.
I'm not gonna push you in, dude. I just want you to know what you think.
I want you to jump in, Turbo.
Oh! He almost ate it.
And I would have laughed.
Oh, did the back feet fall in first? That would have been epic.
Yeah. Come on. Come on, Turbo. It's warm though. It won't burn him, will it?
No.
Come on, buddy. It's okay. I'm not gonna get in trouble.